What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twisted Ankle Garage. We are back with another reaction video from SEMA. This is another Ismail J YouTube video. It's the final day. I've seen a picture of this guy's truck on Instagram, and it looked like he basically caught the whole back end on fire. So I'm interested to see that. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let's get to it. Yeah, put it on the wall. I mean, that's the whole theme. Pretty sure that he had the bed rebuilt on this truck over the summer because he tore it up, and now he's back just tearing it up again. So, you know, that's what it's all about. It's just a truck. Tear it up, fix it, do it again. What's the point of having fun vehicles if you don't have fun with them? You can see why he goes through motors quite often. He basically just holds it on the floor and never lets off at all. Ever. Never. Ever. 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 I mean, he may just have a toggle switch in there. He just flips the throttle on, like full blast, and that's it. Just on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. People used to joke about Dennis Anderson, the gravedigger monster truck driver, that he just had a toggle switch in his truck and he would just go on and off with it because it was just instant throttle control of full speed to nothing. Just on and off, on and off. He definitely putting the show on, that's for sure. There we go. Like, that's a poster picture right there. I mean, he blew the gas cap open and blowing smoke out of it. He can definitely drift the truck very well, that's for sure. What the heck? Wonder what front brakes he's got on that truck. I'm pretty sure there's not any brakes on the back of it at all. Well, there was that finger. See, the whole toggle switch is just turned on, just going. Just ooh, nice hair, dude. Oh, there it is, there it is. Oh, he blew the tread off of it. That's what that is. Just put a recap on it. It'll be fine. That was a pretty good burnout. I mean, is that thing pouring coffee out of it or what? I mean, that was some nasty looking deck school. We got a brand new set of them there. You know, those wheels are probably like, I don't know, $5 grand or something a piece. Probably more. This is back in that other Chevy. This must be somebody else. Fly in here. This must be somebody else's burnout yard. 'Cause it's over at the West Hall, I think is what it is. It looks like it's over in that parking lot. It's over by the strip. Yeah, that's a tiny little burnout pad. About all it's good for is small donuts. It looks like something they'd have set up for a Gymkhana video where Ken Block would fly in there, or Pastrana now, I think is taking it over, would fly in there, do a bunch of cyclones, and then shoot out of there somewhere crazy, who knows. So this guy needs some more wheel speed. There you go. Don't be afraid, just push the pedal down and hold it there. It'll be alright. I think he's afraid of the rev limiter. That truck must have a supercharger on it, because you can hear a whine. There you go. I bet it'd sound really good if you just hold on it. Some pretty cool shots in that burnout of his truck.
Alright guys, so the truck made it out alive out of SEMA with the hooligans this year, guys. And as you guys see, we're driving it back home. And well guys, right now we're gonna see if we can try to put this truck.
Ah, it's the Drop Star guys. I bet that's whose burnout pad that is. Ha. Ah, you get stuck in the parade.
Hoonigan booth. I had to come to a little parade. Look at that. Yeah, the little rollout. That's badass, guys. They got the grandstands right here. Look at that on the side.
This is one thing I always miss when I go to SEMA. I always miss the rollout. Next year when I go, I'm definitely going to watch the rollout. And see, this is what I like to hear. A man that is not afraid of the chip. That's what it's for. Use it. Just put it there and hold it. I mean, it's only money. If it blows up, just fix it. Pay somebody like me or do it yourself and just have fun. Probably not the best to do it if you drive a car every day though, so get something to tear up. I told you this guy, you just almost need 2 fingers. He just holds it there. That's the toggle switch just turned on. Man, that's a lot of smoke. The truck sounds really cool with that supercharger whine in it. It's just kind of subtle. I bet it sound good out on the street. God, how long has he been sitting there? I mean, what tires are those? God, man, they've been going forever. Oh. Made a hole in the parking lot. Time for an upgrade on the rim.
You don't want those, you want the new ones, huh?
Alright guys, we're going to end the reaction video right there. That was a hell of a time out there for Ishmael this year. He did some killer burnouts this year. But make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm out.